Today I'm gonna show you how to orbit a camera around an object in Blender. Let's jump right in! Step 1. Setting up the scene. So here we have the default cube and our camera. Now, let's add an empty object to control the camera. Press Shift-A, go to Empty, and select Arrow. This empty will act as our camera control. Now, press numpad 0 to switch to camera view. Then, go to View, Navigation, go walk Navigation to adjust the perspective. Step 2. Linking the camera to the empty object first. Select the camera. Then, hold Ctrl and select the empty object. Move your cursor and press Ctrl-P. Then choose Object, keep Transform. Now our camera is linked to the empty, so whenever we move the empty, the camera moves with it. Step 3. Animating the camera orbit. Go to Frame 1 and select the empty object. In Object Properties, find the rotation settings. We want to rotate around the Z-axis, so click the small dot next to Z to insert a keyframe. Now jump to the last frame and set Z rotation to 360 degrees. Click the dot again to insert the second keyframe. To make the movement smooth and constant, select both keyframes. Right-click, go to Interpolation, go Linear. Now the camera will rotate evenly around the object. Let's check it out! Step 4. Rendering and focusing on another object. Switch to Render Preview and play the animation. The camera should now be orbiting smoothly. Want to focus on a different object? Super easy. Go into Extreme Mode. Move the empty to the center of the new object and play the animation. And that's it! Simple, smooth, and effective. Thanks for watching, guys! See you in the next tutorial. Peace out!